Hi guys, welcome to Vitesse Communication channel. If you haven't subscribed, try to do the subscribe. Try to do the subscribing. So what you are seeing on the screen there is the Coco T-7000 medium viscosity gum. Again, is the Coco T-7000 medium viscosity gum. It is also called the touchpad gum. As an engineer, you need to know the work of this viscosity gum, the T-7000 viscosity gum. It is a black molten liquid used in gumming of your touchpad in a mobile phone. This one is not like the super glue in a touchpad. This one, with the help of this gum, when you fix it in your touchpad, you can be able to remove and fix your touchpad with ease. It's not that thick like that of the super glue that will just stick your phone. So this gum is very good. So now let's talk about the technical data of this T-7000 viscosity gum. The appearance of that gum is transparent floating body. The solid content of that viscosity gum is 30 degree to 36 degree. And again, the concentration / the viscosity is 4,800 mps. And again, it is surface drying. The surface drying time of that viscosity gum is 4 to 6 minutes or so. So it doesn't take long time for it to stick your touchpad to your phone. And again, the temperature range is 35 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. So we have different color of this gum. We have the glare, the black, the soft glue, the medium and the high strength. They are different. Then the characteristics are no whitening, no hard, low drawing and low odor. So this gum is very good in mobile repair. And again, when you want to use the gum or if you want to apply the gum, you need to read carefully the introduction before using this viscosity gum. As you can see on the screen there, after removing the leader in your touchpad, you just have to apply it at the corner of your touchpad. It can even be used to hold screen, even your power flex. You can use this gum to hold it. It doesn't white, it just gives you the normal color. So this gum is very important in mobile repair. It is very good to try it. This one is better than super glue in mobile repair. So as an engineer, you need to have this one. We have the big size, we have the small size, and we have the medium size. It is very important in mobile repairing business. So guys, if you have any question concerning this topic today, you can drop them in the comment section. Continue to watch my video, subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you. Lots of love. Bye.